Hello, I'm Horace Douty, pastor of the Oxford Presbyterian Church near Lexington, Virginia. And each Sunday, as part of worship service, I like to present a nature lesson which have grown in popularity, not just locally, but around the country. Today, I want to talk about the sunflower, the common sunflower, which is a remarkable plant because it can get as big as 12 inches across the face and as much as 14 feet tall, or you can get the miniature sunflowers, which are only a few inches tall and have very small blossoms. But the sunflower is appropriately named because young sunflowers, this is more mature, but a young sunflower will start out facing this, wherever the sun is, that flower will move to face the sun and will follow the sun all day long. Starts out facing east and ends the day facing west, and then turns around during the night to face east again. How it knows to do that and has the muscle power, I don't know, but it does. After they mature, the heads get too heavy to move. But what is remarkable about the sunflower, there are several remarkable things. One, it is a tremendous source of food for wildlife as well as human beings. Sunflower seeds are cherished by every bird lover because the sunflower seed is one thing that almost all birds love. And not just birds, but bears and other predators, squirrels. So keeping sunflowers available outside can be a challenge. Another thing that most people, I have a feeling, will never know until I tell them, and that is the placement of the seeds in the sunflower head. They are not simply in a circle, concentric circles. The seeds are placed in little arcs, little spirals, all over the face of the sunflower. And what is remarkable is that God must be a mathematician, because all through nature you will find that same spiral repeated over and over. For example, the horns on a mountain goat curve a certain way. They curve exactly the same proportions with the same formula that these seeds curve in the spiral. The teeth of hogs and tusks of elephants all grow in a spiral. When you see a shooting star, it is always falling not in a straight line but in a curve which matches what is called the Fibonacci Sequence, the golden mean, which forms the spiral which you can find everywhere. And I could lecture for an hour on the Fibonacci sequence because it is so unusual and so few people seem to know about it, but it is a mathematical formula that holds throughout all nature. There is your nature lesson for this week. The common sunflower, enjoy eating the seeds just like wildlife does.